Hi guys, welcome back to another video tutorial. For today's video is how to make reels on Facebook. It's just pretty quick and simple, so let's go. Facebook Reels can be created by uploading photos and videos from your phone's photo gallery or by recording new video clips during the creation process. Now, first thing you gotta do is open your Facebook and be sure you are using the latest version of the app. Now, we are already here on the Reels. Then tap the Create Reel on the Reels section on the feed. You can tap the camera icon or use the gallery while making your Reels. So, for example, let's try to have a reel with these photos. You can select multiple, then press next. And sometimes it will be automatically put some music. You can skip or you can search from it. Then click next. Then you can adjust for this. You can still add some photos or videos. You can crop, you can replace, and edit it the way you wanted. You can also add text. And just be creative with your reels. So once you're done, click done, then click next, and then just describe your reels. You can also put who are the people who wants to view your reels. You can make it private or public or your friends. And then if you're finished with your reels, just press the share now. So that's it. I hope that you learned something and this video helps. And if you have any questions or comments, kindly put it in the comment section below and make sure to subscribe and like to our channel. Thanks!